Okay, it's Wednesday the 15th. This is with the afternoon temperatures. You can see some areas got to freezing and above as we go into the nighttime hours. This is around 8 o'clock this evening. This takes the temperatures all the way down below freezing again, so it doesn't take long. Temperatures basically mid 20s as we go later in the night. Here's around midnight. Out here to the northwest up here, maybe Reading and Allentown up here, temperatures are gone down into the lower 20s, elsewhere mid 20s. Now, as we move this to around 3 in the morning, there are some teens showing up, even down here by Wilmington, teens. Elsewhere, 20, maybe just a little bit above as we get towards the morning hours when everybody's getting up to go to work. Teens for most of the area, except in South Jersey here and along the coast, where you get down into the low 20s. During the day tomorrow, temperatures climb back up to around freezing in a lot of areas. The normally northwestern areas and northern areas of Jersey, you stay in the mid 20s at this point in time. We do have some precipitation that's starting to move in um, right about here. Let's see if I can show it. As you can see, this is around 2 in the afternoon. There is a little bit of snow moving in, and it will cross the region during the afternoon. This is around 5 o'clock. You can see it going through Delaware and then into New Jersey. Suburbs of Philadelphia get a little bit out of this. The Reading Allentown area gets some snow. This is around 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. You can still see some light snow falling out there. There's 9 o'clock. Here's 10 o'clock. It's starting to move off. There's 11 o'clock and here's 12 o'clock as it's still in Jersey, but it's beginning to break up. And then as we go overnight, it kind of goes away by about 4 o'clock in the morning and we clear it out. Total snow, and here we go. I would say, it shows like 8/10 of an inch in Reading. I'm going to say that's pretty close, about an inch. Any of this dark area, I think, could be around an inch. Any of the lighter color areas, especially north of Philly here, going up towards Trenton, I think snow can equal a half an inch, maybe to an inch, if it hangs around long enough. Nothing major from this, but we need to keep an eye on next week because next week is when brutal cold moves in and two opportunities for snow next week, and one which I think later on next week could be what I would call a nor'easter coming up the coast and doing its damage. The models aren't catching on to it yet, but they will eventually. Okay, so this is kind of what to expect. Um, Earlier, it looked like there'd be a little bit more up here, but I think it's kind of being relegated to the Poconos where they can get an inch, 2 inches, maybe three at the highest points. All right, everybody, take care.